So you want a sport bike? Let me tell you what it takes if you are ready to ride. Come with me as I struggle to push this thing out of here. So you want a motorcycle and you are under 18. This is easy. And you're so close to getting this bike. Well, not this bike specifically, but you guys, it's not hard to get a motorcycle. It's very easy. You just gotta get your license, practice, voila, you got a bike. I mean, technically you could get one without a license and practice on it. That's what I did. And I'm not encouraging you to do that, but it is a quick way to actually get it. Yeah, so it's a very quick way. That's the way I did it. I did it the illegal way. I'm not gonna lie to you. I bought the bike. It was $1,500, 2003 CBR 600 double R. I had been riding dirt bikes and four-wheelers already growing up. You know, I had go-karts and whatnot. But I ended up buying a used bike essentially, and that was that CBR. It had it didn't have too many miles on it. It was fairly new. Let me beat this light real quick. But yeah. So I bought that bike and I was driving it without a license. And I ended up getting my license in the process. It wasn't hard. Once you learn how to ride a bike, it's so easy. Like, you just gotta drive. That's all it is. It takes practice. And I'm not saying everybody's gonna get it down like I got it down. But when you have a little bit of an experience with dirt bikes, four-wheelers that have clutches, you don't really have to worry about it. You know, it's not as stressful trying to learn how to ride. But yeah, I bought my first bike for $1,300. No. That CBR 600 was $1,100. They didn't have no fairings on it. I bought the fairings for about $800. And it was good to go. Rode it, got the license. So yeah guys, it's really not hard, and I keep saying this and I'll keep saying it. It's not hard at all to get a motorcycle. If you really want a bike, you're ready to get one, go get one. You'll enjoy it. I think it's worth it for sure. I don't know which way I'm going. I think I have to get in that lane. This thing is amazing, man. I think you'll have so much fun when you get your first bike. Let me just tell you, take it easy. Unless you're already, well, still take it easy, because you don't know how the power is on a 600. It's incredible. And then like jumping up from 6 to 1,000, it's incredible. You will not ever get bored. This thing has so much power, man, I'm telling you. When you first get your first bike, be careful. And even if it's something small, 250, 300, you know, be careful, because these bikes can be dangerous. They are dangerous, even the small ones. You let one of those suckers fall over or something on you, or you get hit by a car, I promise you gonna feel it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. There's countless other things that I could say as far as being a new rider here and getting a motorcycle, but those were a couple things that I wanted to list off. We riding this sucker. And then there's Willys, which I love, Willys. I gotta get a wheelie in, y'all. I gotta get a wheelie in. I have to. There's no way I'm not getting one in today. I would go that way, but I don't want to go all the way down there.